Slightly different topic today. This time is around sales and how squiggles can help you. Now, squiggles isn't a person or a thing, it's a squiggles, lines. And it has to do with a scientific experiment that was done a number of years ago. It's referenced in a book called The Luck Factor, which is something that I also recommend that you look at, helps understand how people are lucky or not. In any case, the study goes something like this. I'm not sure I have it quite right, but the idea is there's 10 squiggles on a piece of paper shown to participants and then ask the participants to replicate the squiggles. Now, they take the paper away and they're trying to remember them and so forth. And generally speaking, humans kind of stink at this. And so then the next experiment is that they give them a sheet of 100 squiggles on it. And instead of asking them to replicate it, it asks them to indicate which ones that they like the best. And what's fascinating in this study, done numerous times different ways, is that humans tend to select the squiggles from that set of 100 that were on the first set of 10. And the logic here is that familiarity breeds this affinity. And now, how does this impact sales? And the simple answer is, if you understand how humans behave and understand that familiarity is a key component to it, then getting your brand out in front of the client consistently, not a one-shot deal, but over and over again, is the way to win the day. And so, for example, on a large-scale marketing perspective, it's sort of the reason you see Coca-Cola billboards. Not that you don't know about Coca-Cola, but keeping that brand in front of you. If you're trying to contact a client or a prospect, perhaps one that you've had some traction with, but seem to be ghosting you at this time, consider the squiggles in this environment. And what that means is, keep going, keep giving them content, and keep sharing with them, recognizing that what often happens in the sales process is lots and lots of research, and then boom, now we're ready to buy. So keeping your brand and yourself front and center along that journey behind the scenes will be very helpful in the end result and hopefully closing some business. Hope you enjoyed my squiggle story.